Hyper-V. In this video, I create a new FortiGate virtual machine on the virtualization platform on Windows 11. First steps to learning how to use the FortiGate Firewall. FortiGate support. Go to the home page and create a free account. After logging in, download the virtual machine image. Hyper-V 7.4. Download the virtual machine image file. Download completed to your computer. Extract it. And here are the files after extraction. Virtual hard disks. Use the file named Fortius to create a virtual machine on Hyper-V. I create a new virtual machine on Hyper-V. Name. Name the virtual machine. FortiGate. Next. Generation 1. Next. 2048 megabytes. Next. Connection. Choose a network to connect to your local network. Connect virtual hard disk. Browse to the hard drive that was downloaded in the previous step, before. Use an existing virtual hard disk. Finish. Some settings before starting the virtual machine. Settings. Processor. Number of virtual processor. 1. Apply. 2 GB memory and only 1 core processor. Next, connect and start the virtual machine. Start. Wait a moment for the virtual machine to start. Default username is admin. No password by default. You are asked to create an administrator password. Complete setting the administrator password. Use the following command to find the IP address of the FortiGate VM. Diagnose IP address list. Use any browser to access the firewall. In the address bar, enter the firewall's IP address. Username. Password. Enter the password you just set in the previous step. For learning and practice purposes, I choose Evaluation License. Enter your FortiGate account email. Password. OK. OK. System rebooting. Wait a moment. FortiGate will create a license file for your virtual machine. Service. Asset management. FortiGate. FortiGate. Firewall ID on Hyper-V. License file download. You use this file to activate your virtual machine in case of a factory reset. After the reboot is complete, log in again to check the results. Username. Password. These are the steps to create a virtual FortiGate firewall on Hyper-V. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Save and continue. I acknowledge. Later. OK. Serial number. Network. Interfaces.